I got this little fella here from a flea market that looks like he kinda ate 1 or 2 special nuts too many. I mean, who signed that off? So let's give him some less dried out eyes and face in general. Painting this one here is more of a little relax thing, so I even skipped the priming part. I just go in bare naked with the acrylics and firstly cover the smile. If you can even call it that one. This takes a few layers of watered down acrylic paint, so the surface won't look like I just smothered paint on it. I don't know where this little guy is from or if he was a part of a playset or something. I just hope he isn't like an extremely rare collectible figure from a 40-year-old TV show that ran for 20 minutes at 3 AM in the morning at a haunted TV station and is worth like $500. That would kinda suck. In the meantime, I decided to also paint his special nut he's holding to better differentiate between a nut and an organ, because that can't be healthy nut color. Here I paint the nose. One moment. And the line that connects it with the mouth. Let's finally do the eyes. I went for a vintage style dye because he reminds me kinda of this show. And here's the result. If you liked what you saw, leave a like and maybe even a sub. Thanks for watching this short one. Ciao ciao!